now opposed to the bill. I live on a farm in Alvin, Texas, which is actually in Representative Bonner's district. Close. A few years back, we had a big hailstorm in Alvin. My husband and I watched while 2-inch hail damaged our roof. We made an insurance claim, and Germania told us that the hailstorm didn't even reach our home. I even videoed the storm and had an independent license inspection report to the insurance company, but they didn't care and they denied the claim. All we wanted was our roof paid for, which was about $8,000 after our deductible of around $4,000. In 2014, while waiting for resolution, my father-in-law passed away, and thanks to our inheritance from him, we paid for a new roof. We couldn't wait. Then, in 2015, we finally went to court. That's when I realized how wrong I was. I have never been so insulted. Not only was my insurance company not protecting me, but they were on the opposing side trying to convince the jury that I was a liar and that it was I who dropped the ball, when I had a video of the hail hitting my house and a detailed report with pictures from an independent inspector. I felt so betrayed and helpless. If it wasn't for the attorneys helping us, I still would be a victim. We spent 5 full days in court and won, but it still wasn't over with appeals. Finally, after 4 long years, we received a check in 2016. I don't pretend to know what the proposed bill is all about, nor do I understand all the policies and laws that are in place to protect us from companies taking advantage of us, but this I do know. Our current laws worked in my case, and according to my attorney, if this current bill passes, we would have gotten 0 in attorney's fees because of the way the notice provision is written. And at that rate, we wouldn't have any attorneys that would help us out. Most people are simple, like myself, and we don't stand a chance against insurance companies without your help. We're just individual homeowners trying to make ends meet, not make a profit. Insurance companies have people who make their living on understanding the laws and policies to minimize their losses. If anything, more should be done to enforce the insurance companies to take better care of us homeowners who put our faith in them to be there for us when we need them the most. After all, isn't that what we have insurance for?
Thank you for your testimony. The insurance company again, free day to say. It's free day. So when y'all hear these stories, hopefully when adjusters don't do what they're supposed to, your companies don't do, you're going to have people that come up here and say these things. So,
well, one thing that I thought that I was surprised to learn through this process is that Germania doesn't even have to answer to the TDI regulations like State Farm and Allstate. So obviously they're not my insurance company anymore.
So, members, any questions? Thanks for coming and share your story with us. It's important to hear because you're who we're trying to make sure that you keep having insurance. So thank you. Tim Connolly.